Hello students, in this lecture we are going to first create an SSL certificate for encryption, and there has to be a directory call. I'm going to show you, but I already have created. So make dir etc postfix SSL. I already have it, and the next thing you're going to do is you're going to cd into /etc postfix SSL, and then you're going to run open SSL, generate RSA key that -3 -out server dot key 2048. Okay, and then it's going to ask for a password to set up a passphrase. Okay, once that is done, then the command we're going to run is open SSL RSA -in server dot key -out server dot key dot insecure. Okay, so that is done. Now we're going to move the server key to server key secure. So move server dot key to server dot key dot secure, and move server dot key to server dot key dot insecure to server dot key. Okay, next step, we're going to do open SSL reg -new -key server dot key -out server dot csr. And for country name and all that, you can put in where depending on where you are, state or province. I'm going to put Texas. City, I'm just going to leave it blank. Organization number or organization name, let's call it Acme, and I'm going to leave the rest blank. Challenge password, I'm going to leave that blank as well. Okay, now we're going to open the X509. So open SSL X509 -rec -days 365 -in server .csr -sign key server dot key -out server dot crt.